Hey gang, Puppy here. Caffeine BS for May 2nd, 2019. Get that cursor out of my nose. Cursor was right there on my nose. Do you know how irritating that is to look at yourself and see a cursor on your... French roast beans, an espresso maker, hot milk. Today, we had an arrival here in the mail. This arrived. There we go. This baby arrived. It's a Chinese manufactured watchmaker's tool. The handle rotates, turns a screw. This circular area here goes in and out. Screw here, a reverse turnbuckle. These go in. These two go in and out from each other. And a bag full of little points, teeth, grippers, whatever you want to call it, that go in the back of a watch like that. You see those milled indentations? It goes like, and you go "Arr!" to take the back off, or "Arr!" to put it back on. There are other styles. Look almost like an arbor press with a weird adjustable foot, and you push it down, and and then Rolex has their own. If you think watchmakers' tools are rare and expensive, start pricing Rolex tools. Yeah, expensive. eBay, $10. I'm ashamed I let my wife buy it, but she showed me the picture and said $10. And how bad can it be? It's actually pretty nice, except for one thing. That handle and the screw that comes out of it to move that one in and out from the other two. It's got Peyronie's disease. About 3/4 of the way away from the handle. Yeah. But, that's a fairly decent adjustable distance pin spanner with replaceable points. So, $10. How many watches am I going to be opening and closing? Not many. But, watchmaker's tool is like a gun. Better have it and not need it than need it and not have it, right? Good night.